Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to understand how an AI chatbot actually works. Before we start building one in Python, many people can copy and paste code from GitHub, from ChatGPT, or from any other AI, and they can create a chatbot. But if someone asks, how does this chatbot understand my question? Or maybe let's say, how does it find the correct answer? Most people don't know. So in this video, we are going to create chatbot something like this. And we are going to understand step by step in very simple way that how we can build one AI chatbot. So once we are able to make it, it will be very easy for you to understand. So let me just give you a brief. What exactly the chatbot is? It's nothing but it is a simple software application that is allowing user to communicate using the natural language. So in this, what I am going to do, friends, I am first of all showing you. Let me go to the next slide. This is something from the first one. I have uploaded one PDF. One PDF has been uploaded, and you can see on the right hand side screen, ask a question is there, and in that we have the text box. We can write our question. Here I have written the question, what is this PDF all about? And we need to press enter to apply. Once we press enter to apply, we are able to understand the top result. So this entire PDF is about interview questions of Gen AI implementation in organizations and the general artificial intelligence. Right here, we are going to learn how to create a chatbot in Python step by step. And also, we will be understanding what is LLM and what is RAG and what are the differences. So, overall, RAG workflow, I will be explaining you with the code and how from a PDF we get the answer, that all answer we are going to get step by step. In the next video, I will be explaining how and why ChatGPT or any of the chatbot is answering our question, and internal structure we will understand. Thank you so much.